Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove your orders or cancel your orders on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, I myself at the current moment don't have any orders going on, so I will show you a method which I'm pretty sure works identically to removing orders, and that's just removing the browsing history, but pretty much things work very similarly and you'll be able to remove them. Now, if I go over for both things, you're going to need to go over to your account. So just hover over this. And now for your orders, you're just going to go into your orders and you should have the orders listed out here. And then you just have to click on the order that you want and then you'll be able to cancel it. And that should be it. Now, I'm pretty sure that this is only an option up until a certain point. If an order reaches a certain, place or a certain stage of transport, it won't be able to be canceled anymore. So at that point, you're pretty much out of luck and you just need to wait for your item and then return it to Temu if they accept returns. And that should be it. Now, it is very similar, and I'll show you guys since I can, to removing your browsing history. So as you can see, I have a, product here listed out, and you can just click on it. It'll open up a new link. In my case, in yours, it should just open up an order page where you'll just be able to click cancel, and that should be it. Additionally, for browsing history, you can just hover over the three dots and delete it, and for some reason the delete has failed. I'm really not sure why that's happening, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Just to make a quick recap, just go to your orders, click on the order you want, click cancel, and that should be pretty much it. And that is all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.